Hoy, andyan ka pala. And nandito na naman ako. But today, we're here at Jillian's kitchen. Yeah, I cannot film in her room. My husband's sleeping. Jillian's sleeping in her room. The kitchen's full of plants. So, we're here at Jill's kitchen. And we're gonna do an unboxing. So, tara! Okay, so I did quite a big damage here. Remember my first ever unboxing for the year 2021? This time, 3 huge people in the Hoya community, at least here in America or in Northern America, at least as far as I know, did a purge last weekend. Seriously, yeah. And I was so blessed enough that I was able to grab a few of those plants that I have. One from Hoya Hau, of course. If you don't know him, you should know him by now if you've been watching my video. And this one is from Sobeida DeGorter. I think I'm butchering her last name, but another big name in the Hoya plant world, Hoya community, or plant world in general, because she also sells aroids and some pipers and stuff, beautiful plants. And of course, from one of my faves, Minh Nguyen. I'm gonna link Minh Nguyen's Facebook group, because he does have his own Facebook group now wherein he does his purchase or sales. So without further ado, again, my name is Joanne. I am Jillian's mom, and we are unboxing these boxes. I think we're gonna go with this one first, because as you can tell, it's a little bit butchered there. And also heads up, like there's been delays in shipping, especially USPS. So these two, Hau and Sobeida, they opted to use UPS as their courier. Well, he did USPS, and it came to me without no problem. So I guess it's just up to you. But so yeah, so if you're gonna buy plants, you gotta also be mindful of the shipping delays that might be happening, because again, they're still short of people, most likely because people are still getting sick, or maybe people are just short of staff. Yeah, something like that. So yeah, here we go for the seriously, I got candies. Ooh, yes, this is delicious. I think it is delicioso. Thank you, Sobeida. This is like the most unexpected surprise at the moment. Like, I'm usually happy when I get cuttings with chocolate. Oh, I'm gonna put this here. Thank you. That was such a treat. So I got 3 Hoyas from her. This is exciting. Oh wow. Oh, and again, so some sellers would offer heat packs, some won't. And if they are not offering heat packs, make sure, ask them if they provide insulation, because it's been cold now and your leaves will probably come wilted or like dead looking. So this is like a burrito, man. Let's see. So I got 3 plants from her, as you saw from the bag. I mean from the box. Oh. I think I'm gonna do this. Let's put out all the burritos, and I'm gonna use the box as to catch it, because again, we are in Gildan's kitchen. I don't want to mess up her kitchen area. Okay. This is Hoya Hau, but it's very dainty. I don't know if you guys can see it. Ooh, is it fuzzy? Felt like it's fuzzy. And there is 2 growth points. I'm gonna insert a picture of its bloom somewhere here, as always. Oh, Hoya Hau. What? This is the first one. I'm gonna put it here for now. I think I'm gonna save this insulation stuff, because I do owe a plant I still get to send a plant to this lady through one of the Hoya groups. I volunteered to be one of the Hoya Santas, and it's already middle of January and I haven't shipped it yet because of the weather and I don't have any insulation, so I guess this is perfect. And I don't want to buy like a heating pack set from so this one is the Hoya Sulawesi GPS 8867. Look at that. So I just got a starter plant. It only has one leaf. And yes, this one's not cheap, but lots of potential. Yes. And a picture of its bloom and maybe the future of this one. Hoya Sulawesi GPS 8867. I think that's like a GPS. So is that like a location where it was found, or is that another name of a person, like a way of cataloging the plant on the collection? I'm not sure. If you know, please comment down below. And then the next one, and I got this before, but I killed it. I'm gonna see if I can find an old clip of me opening unboxing this plant before. If you don't know yet, like some of you might know, I lost my phone and I'm still waiting for a replacement phone, and I'm using my dad's old phone at the moment. I just got a SIM card so I can be back to, out there. Wait, view. So, I can see the roots, and I hope I don't kill you. Whoa, very, very tall. So this is little cool. This is Hoya Hau, but now it's a verticillata, but this is known as a Vibergia. So it does have some splashes that will turn purple or pinkish as exposed to light. And a picture of its blooms. I think this one people usually just buy it for its foliage, the same as with this GPS Sulawesi. I'm not sure about the Hoya Lai, but this one for sure people buy it for foliage, especially when it gets sun stressed. Need a second chance from me on this one. I'm gonna put them down for now because we have 2 other boxes to open. Then the next one, let's go with Hoya Hau. Hoya Hau's the box. We're gonna get Minh Nguyen's box last because technically it's the last one that arrived today. And for you guys, have you guys purchased from Hoya Hau before? What's your experience? It's always wow. Okay, more burritos because it's cold. And with this puffy thing too. We're gonna find out which one this one is. Oh, it's the same insulation pack, I guess from Amazon or from, I don't know. They're professionals. I'm not a seller. I'm a buyer. I'm a consumer. There you go. Oh, fancy how. I like how you did this. Like arts and crafts. See, like he cut this so that it will roll up properly. A lot of thought was put into the packaging. I love it. Yay! Which one are you? I don't know which one you are. Which one is this? I'm gonna just insert the name. But there's 2 of them. 2 cuttings, and I see roots. Which one are you? Is this the one that was hard to pronounce? But anyways, a little story. I was only able to buy. No, technically I got like 3 Hoyas I won, and then the 4th one was passed to me, and he only let me pay for 3 of them, so thank you again. So I don't know, I think this is the one that he gave me, the one with the Isabella something. Thank you. And of course, Mr. Penny and Mr. Fluffy stickers. We put it here for Jill. I put it here. Did you guys buy anything yet from Hau this year? He's been doing a lot for this. And if you want me to tag you when he has purchased, if you're already a member of that Facebook group, let me know. Message me on Instagram or here, post it down below. Leave your Facebook name, and if you have to be a member of the group first though, and then I can tag you, so you will be notified when the purchase happening. Oops. Oh, whoa, this is long. So this one I can even plant this one. Like, look at that. I believe this is Affinity Thomsoni, or this is a Thomsoni white. I forgot. But yeah, this is one of the Thomsoni. There's a tree of Thomsonis out there. I have the Splash, and this is the non-hairy Thomsoni. No, it's hairy too, but not as hairy. So I'll just type down below once I find out which specific Thomsoni is this one. Oh, I think this one's gonna need to have something to cling on. 2 more from this box. I'm definitely gonna save these stuffings. And another repeat for me. This is Hoya crassipitulata. Another foliage plant, in my opinion. Though Hoya blooms are cute, but this one I think you would get it for its leaves, for its foliage again. I had one from Hau before too. I killed it. So I gotta have to try again. So Hoya crassipitulata, I think that's how you say it. Picture of its bloom here on our side. And last one from this box from Hau. This is a Hoya pachycloida, the green one, which is so pretty in my opinion. It's just very, can I use the word bulbous? Very stumpy green thick leaf. Yeah, I do have the which one do I have? The Alba Marginata, but I've always wanted like this is the regular form of it, so I got one. So Hoya pachycloida, and its blooms are this. It's very pretty, very chunky, just like its leaves, and nice mellow yellow, like white yellowish color. So there's that, and we are on to our last box. So this one managed to come without any delay, though it is shipped through USPS, and this came all the way from Florida. So it's a priority mail 2 days. So obviously he didn't, I think he shipped this Monday. It's already Friday as I am recording, or as I am unboxing this for you guys. But it still came within the same week, so that's not too bad, I think. Okay, lots of popcorn on this guy. OMG. Why is he able to? So this one, you guys, this is a Hoya. Anyways, this is a Hoya Walichi with another I at the end, but apparently you're supposed to pronounce it as E, not Walichi, no, not like that, but Walichi. OMG. So he was purging, and I'm so happy he has an extra one, and it's a top cutting. There's a new thingy. I hope it doesn't die my care. This is, well, it just so happened I was watching Doug Chamberlain's one of the Red Walichi videos, and I'm like, I want one. Though this is not the red one, this is a walichi. Yeah, I'm so happy. So its leaves is thin, just like the buoti, the chuayorum, the multiflora kind of stuff. Yeah, walichi. Can you walichi over me? So there's that. I'm so happy that I get to snag that one. And then I forgot which one. Okay, I'm so happy with that one. I actually don't know the name of this one. Which one are you? Do you have a name? I'm basically just looking forward to that, but I know I want this one too, but I forgot. What's the name of this one? Oh, I don't remember. But I'm gonna insert its name like usual, per usual. Does it have a tag? No, it doesn't have a tag, so I'm just gonna put its name down once I figure it out. And this one has new growth, new leaves. Maybe it will fall off because it traveled from Florida where it's warm and humid to dry and cold California. Well, it's not that cold, but you know, it's cold for us Californians right now. But yay, I forgot your name, but I'm so happy you see that you grow. So we're gonna do a close-up of the plants. That is part of the haul. Over here in the front is Hoya Walichi. Look at that. Can you see the new growth point? This is the Hoya CV Suiza or Sulawesi. I forgot, but one of those two. Hoya Pachicleta, the green form. Hoya Isabel something. Hey, I cannot pronounce it. And then this one is the Hoya Thomsoni white, meaning it's gonna have a white flower eventually once it decides to bloom for me. It's not as hairy, just like what I said of the other Thomsoni that I have. Hoya crecipitulata, look at those veining, and it's a smaller leaf. And it's not as thick, it's almost like, it's not like succulent, it's more thinner, but not as thick as a Finlaysonii. Hoya, which one are you? This is the Sulawesi GPS 8867. Very beautiful, right? And I know this one would, what would it do? I think it will blush. I think. I might be wrong, but oh well. And this is another redemption plant, the Hoya Warburgia, which as you see those splashes, it will turn into purple once exposed to light, and now it has a new name. I believe it's another verticillata now. And this is Hoya Lai Li. Look at that new growth point, and another tendril growing out there, and those I'm assuming like new leaves. So yeah, these are good picture, and of course my chocolates and my stickers, and then again the bag from Rainier. So anyways, you guys, thank you for joining me for another unboxing here at Jillian's Plant Corner at Jillian's Kitchen. Yeah, I got chocolates and plants. So my question for the day, what do you guys prefer? Do you like thin leaves Hoya like the Walichi? Or do you like the thicker, like cardboard like leaves like the Pachicleta? Comment down below. I would like to get to know you more. And again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and also hit that bell button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And also at the same time, follow us at Julian's_plant_corner on Instagram so you'll be updated on what's happening in this beautiful plant life at Jillian's Plant Corner. And also I want to do a shout out to Rainier. He gave me this bag for Christmas, but now it's Jillian's shopping bag in her kitchen. Yeah, she claimed it, so why not? Sharing is caring. So again, you guys, thank you for hanging out with me. Kita-kita tayo next time, and may you always be blessed.